All right, Cabinet gives go-ahead for Twickenham Park housing development, it says. They've awarded $1.2 billion contract to Astrom Building Systems Limited. I'm told the construction of 110 two-bedroom, single-story duplex units under Phase 4 of the Twickenham Park housing development project. That's over in St. Catherine. So, in the post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House, Minister without portfolio with responsibility for education, youth and information, Mr. Carl Samuda, said the project will also include civil infrastructure works and will last for a year and 4 months. There you go. He also noted that the development is in line with the government's drive to build homes that are suitable for the Jamaica or for the people of Jamaica. The NHT is undertaking the development of those houses. So
it's a pet peeve. Maybe it's not a public issue, but when we're building houses and apartments and all those things, I want to hear what are the connected things, like a clinic is going to be nearby,
supermarket,
or
school,
a park, a recreational something.
Hospital.
I know in some cases they've done it and the people have take care of it, which is shame on the Jamaican public. But
done what?
Like in Portmore, I know they've done up a lot of community spaces
and
people either don't go or them don't take care of it. But don't use to them fat and fry the rest of Jamaica. I think it's important when you have all this collection of people that there's a space for them to socialize.
You need space for the kids too. You need a
park
and a football field or a field that you can go play sport.
And a place of entertainment.
Yeah,
Sunshine Palace open in Portmore. You need more things, man.
Yeah, man.
This is crazy. Breast implant maker Allergan has issued a worldwide recall of its textured biocell models, which have been linked to a rare form of cancer, the US FDA said Wednesday. The recall came at the FDA's request and means that the implants can no longer be sold and that doctors who have them in stock are supposed to return them. The regulatory agency did not ban the devices altogether, as authorities have done in France and Canada. It also stopped short of recommending that women who have the implants get them removed. The risk of surgery is considered to be greater than the relatively low risk of developing anaplastic large cell lymphoma, a type of non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. The risk may be greater, but once there is some kind of risk, they said so far the vast majority of these lymphoma cases have been detected in women with allergen implants. 84% of 573 known cases worldwide. No, 84% is like, that's almost 100% of the people who put them in. This is crazy. It's a macro-textured implant, and it accounts for less than 5% of all breast implants sold in the US. But I don't know, Bertis, what does that mean? People are going to take them off?
But that's what they said?
They said they stopped short of saying take them out. But if I had them in and I heard this, I'd have to take them out.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Lord have mercy. If
all
it's
right.
your body, you know, you have to be careful what you put in your body.
We move on. The headline here says the government is working on a national shelter for women. So, the Honourable Minister, you're looking at her on the screen, of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports. I'm told is moving through the process to operationalize the first national shelter for women. When I quote, at the same time, I want to say thanks to the Minister of Finance for providing us with funds to purchase 2 other properties. I'm very happy to indicate that we have identified a property in St. Thomas and we're looking for another in Hanover, said the Minister. But regarding the Women's Centre of Jamaica Foundation, the Minister said the organization has been removing the major obstacles that will try to stop adolescent mothers from leading successful lives. There you go. 20 adolescent mothers and 1 adolescent father received bursaries amounting to nearly $600,000 3 adolescent mothers received tertiary-level scholarship amounting to $420,000. And a former student of the Women's Center program received a Ministry of Education, Youth and Information scholarship valued at $500,000 to pursue a degree in mathematics education.
Nice.
There you go.
Nice, Mr.
Yeah, good stuff, good stuff.